Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and today's video. A little bit of an unexpected video filming right now. Didn't think I was receiving any packages today. Lo and behold, as soon as I've just literally finished filming the look that I'm wearing, postman knocks on the door and hands me a package in a pink bag, and I thought, what on earth is that? Opened it up and it's my January Roccabox. Let me just move that way so I can get both me and the box in. There we go. So it is currently the 4th of January and January's Roccabox is here. Let's open it up and have a look and see what we've got, because honestly I've no idea. They sent me an email to say that it was getting ready, but I've certainly not had an email to say it's shipped and on its way, so nice surprise. Here we go. Are you ready? As always, we've got the leaflet in the top there to tell us what we've got inside. I'll be referring to this as we go along. Okay, now there always is quite a bit of stuff. I don't know what you call these, people call them all sorts of different things. Okay. We have got, I'm just going to take everything out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. All right, let me put all these wormy things back inside. There we go, and I'm going to put that down on the floor, out the way, and let's get into it. Alrighty, so the first item is, okay, already had one of these, and I think it might have been in my Roccabox mystery box. Can't remember. In fact, I've got my notepad here, just a minute. Let's see if I can, yes it was. Okay, this is the Tropez Purity Self Tan Spray Mousse. Now this is a 14mm travel size, the one we got in the £10 mystery box, which if you want to check that out, I will link that video up here now for you. I'm pretty sure that was a bigger one. I think that was about a 30mm size. Self tan's not something I use, so as with the other one, this one will be going in my giveaway box, but that is actually worth, it's worth £5, that one. So this Roccabox, I forgot to say, it is a monthly subscription box. You can unsubscribe at any time, you can cancel it at any time. £10 a month plus £3.95 P&P, so it's £14 a month basically. Sorry about that, should have told you that bit first, shouldn't I? And the next item in the box is, okay, it's a brush, and it's quite a nice small brush actually. Let's have a look. It's a Bang Beauty blusher brush. There we go. You can see the Bang Beauty logo on there, and it's quite I'd say it's like a travel size really. It's not a massive brush at all. If I get where's my normal blusher brush gone? I have got one in here somewhere in front of me. There we go. That's the size of my blusher brush from the Body Shop. So I would say this is really like a travel size. Nice to have. The bristles feel nice, nice and soft, not too harsh. The brush itself, I mean, it's not very weighty, but you know, apparently this is a full size. Oh, this is a full size product. Okay, so it's not a travel one, but it is a compact brush, and it's worth £13.98. So I don't know whether I'd pay £14 for it, to be perfectly honest with you, but nevertheless, the value of the box is here in this one item, so that's always nice, isn't it? And sorry, I'm laughing because the next item in the box, I've just received one of these in my Birchbox December Birchbox bag that we got. This is the Daily Concepts Mother of Pearl cleansing sponge. This is worth £6.95. Again, it's a full-size item. Okay, alrighty. Because I've literally just received one in my Birchbox, this also is going to go in my giveaway box. I was reading actually, when I unboxed my Birchbox bag for December, I forgot that there was actually like a leaflet in there that tells you about all the products and the value and everything. And I was reading it after I'd finished filming. And apparently these sponges are good for up to 60 uses, which is amazing. That's literally 2 months worth of uses. So yeah, because I've already got one, this will be going in the giveaway box. And the next one is a sheet mask. Here we go. It is, there we go, it is the Beauty Pro Brightening Collagen Sheet Mask with Vitamin C. Again, it's another full-size product, and this is worth £4.95. And on the thing it says it is suitable for all skin types, which is good. Dermatologically tested, amazing, brilliant. Brightens complexion, improves elasticity, diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. So that's really nice. I have actually got a little box of sheet masks accumulating upstairs, so that will go in there to be tried out shortly. And the last item in the box is the Hero product. Okay, this is, I'll show you the box. This is the Dirty Little Secret Exposed Jelly Blush, or the Dirty Little Secret Apricot Jelly Blush. And it's, again, another full-size product. Oh, okay, so it's one of two colours. You've got either apricot or exposed. And it's a jelly blush. I'm not sure how I feel about that, so let's have a look. Which one have I got? Does it tell me? Doesn't tell me on, oh it does. I've got the apricot one, so I've got the apricot, so I'm assuming this is like oh, okay, right, that's just completely confused me. There's the inner packaging, all right, and it says it's a jelly blush. But does that look like a jelly blush to you? No, it's a powder blush. Okay, I was just about to say, I don't know how I feel about a jelly blush, a jelly like consistency, but this doesn't appear to be. Let's give it a swatch. So I was just about to say, by the sound of the name, it should be a nice sort of orangey peachy colour. It's very nice and soft. There we go. Can we see that at all? Can we see that? It's very, very gentle. It's got a little bit of a shimmer in it. Now that actually excites me. It does feel incredibly soft. It's almost turning from a powder to like a cream on my finger. Let me see if I can build that intensity up. It is beautiful. I'm not going to be able to see it very well. I've built it up a little bit, but it is very, very gentle. There is the smallest amount of sheen in there, which I'm actually really pleased about, because I've got a powder blusher that I bought years ago from the Body Shop called Apricot Shimmer, and you can't, A, you can't get it anymore, and B, I've panned it, I'm right at the bottom of it. So, actually, I'm very intrigued to try this. I was a bit at first when it said about being a jelly blush, but that is not what I was expecting. So I'm actually really pleased about that. I'm not disappointed at all. And like I say, that's again a full-size product. So we've got 4 full-size products this month. That's brilliant, that's really good. The only sort of deluxe mini or travel size is the Saint-Tropez one. So, little recap and add up. So £12 for the blusher, £5 for that, so that's 17. £14 for the brush, so that's 31. £7 for the sponge, that's 38. And £5 for the mask. Total box value £42, and I paid 14, which includes the P&P. What do we think? What do we think? Not a bad little box. Obviously you've got some, you know, cleansing product, you've got the repairing mask for brightening after the Christmas period. I suppose that's always nice if it's the tanning or bronzing water, if that's something you use to maybe give yourself a little bit of colour, make yourself feel better in the winter months. And then obviously the blusher and the brush together, that's a great little idea. So yeah, there we go. Not a bad little box at all. Obviously 2 items will be going in my giveaway box, but I'm not upset. I've still got, what have I got? I've got 26, £31 worth of products that I'm going to use myself. Yeah, that's all right, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you for watching. As always, have a great rest of your day. Make sure you subscribe, turn your notifications on. Share any of my videos. If you do want to share any of my videos with your friends on social media, whatever, please feel free. Absolutely don't mind whatsoever. And I look forward to seeing you in my next one. Bye everybody.